Some of our servo wheels are quite a tight fit with some of the servos they are intended for. Here's a trick for installing those wheels on your servo if it won't easily push onto the servo output shaft. First, you need to line up the splines in the servo's output shaft with the teeth in the wheel. Just rotate the two parts a bit until they nestle together. Then, go ahead and insert the servo screw and screw down the wheel. I'll turn this sideways again so you can see. Keep screwing the wheel down until it covers the servo's output shaft. Be careful not to tighten the screw so much that you strip the threads in the output shaft. Keep in mind that the splines on servo output shafts are generally not standardized, so if your wheel isn't easily pushing onto the servo shaft, confirm that it is compatible with the servo you are using before you use this method to install your wheel.